Hi guys, Frances and Alana here today.
Hello.
And we're here to show all of our New Zealand Bellas what is inside of your July Bellabox.
Yes. So this month's theme is Beauty Snap, and we have some beautiful products for you.
do.
So let's snap to it.
Let's do it. So the first product that I have is the Luna by Luna eyeshadows. Now you may have seen these already on our social media channels. There are 4 colors in total, and today I'm wearing Spice Pumpkin on my lids, and I believe you're wearing some as well.
Yes, I'm wearing Miracle and Celine. They're just beautiful,
They're
so
beautiful
buildable
colors, and yeah, like Alana said, they're super buildable, so you can wear them quite sheer, or you can build them up for a high pigment look, and they're also cruelty free, which is awesome.
They're beautiful. Next, I have the ModelCo Highlighting Shimmer Whip. So if winter has your skin looking on the dull side, this will whip it into shape by adding a nice strobing effect to anywhere on your body, really.
Yeah, it's a beautiful product.
Multi-purpose product.
So not only do our New Zealand Bellas get 2 cosmetic items this month, you will also receive a full-size product from Asano, and it is their Collagen Boost Eye Cream. So
hold that for you.
Thank you. So the Collagen Boost Eye Cream contains the eye-effective ingredient, which is a trademarked ingredient by Asano, and it also contains rosehip oil, and it is clinically proven to boost circulation, to lighten your dark circles under your eyes, to visibly firm your eyes, which I feel like I definitely need when I don't get enough sleep, to reduce the appearance of wrinkles, and to brighten for a youthful glow. So I feel like an eye cream is something I definitely sometimes neglect in my routine, and I've been using this one and I love it because it's really light and it doesn't feel too heavy on the eyes.
Yeah, beautiful. Okay, I have the Do It Tough Hands for her. I actually love this product. It is packed with active ingredients. It has lactic acid to gently exfoliate, and then sweet almond oil to actually really penetrate and moisturize your skin. It is a beautiful hand cream.
I find that so smart. I haven't heard of a hand cream that has that lactic acid in it to exfoliate.
An amazing
You obviously put that on your face, so why not put it on your hands and your body too?
Exactly right.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So the next product that I have is another skincare edition, and there are actually 3 products which you may receive. So they are from Skin Food, and Skin Food is like a well-balanced diet. Skin Food has designed a range of products that will delight your skin's taste buds. So Skin Food use all natural ingredients. They use the best bioactive extracts and really unique ingredients from Australia and New Zealand. So there are ingredients like Manuka honey, like the mud mask has a really unique natural rotorua.
Oh, yes.
I'm gonna butcher this from you know the place in New Zealand, the Rotorua mud. So you may receive the Cleansol cleanser. There is the exfoliating scrub or the mud mask, and they're all really awesome products.
Yes, love Skin Foods, love that brand. So lucky last, I have the Weleda Beauty Balm Tinted Day Cream in Nude and Bronze. So you actually get 2 sachets.
And this is your bonus item for the month.
Yes, and you have an exclusive offer for BB members in there when you shop online.
Yeah, and what's great about this is even though it's a sachet, you get 2 colors in there. So you can mix and match them to find your perfect shade.
Yes.
Awesome.
Beautiful.
So that wraps up all of the products inside of our July Bellabox. We hope you guys like what's to come and share with us all of your thoughts on them.
Yes.
And yeah, we'll see you next month. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.